Hi everybody, here is your 2-minute tip for adding a library resource to probono.net/LA. Make sure you're logged into the site and on the civil law page. Then go to the library, either here or here. On the library page, click Add Resource here. This form will appear. Fill out all the blank areas, give your resource a title, a description, pick what kind of resource it is, provide your organization, click here if you're with an LSC funded organization. Some of these fields on my screen won't apply for you. If you're submitting a link, choose URL and paste in the web address here. If you're submitting a file, you can browse your computer for the file. Make sure that you delete identifying confidential information from your file. Give your file a logical file name that tells the person what he or she is looking at when the item is uploaded to the site. And you can also create an HTML resource by typing in your information directly here. And then I will approve it or take other necessary action. All items are by default password protected, so they do have some level of restriction. There are topics they could be assigned to, but the default view will be a folders view. When you're all done, click Submit, and then your item will appear on the site. Before you do this, you might want to review the library folders on the library page, so you have a sense of where you might like your item to appear, and tell that to the admin, like me, when you're filling out your Create Resource form. So have a good time submitting content to probono.net/LA for everybody to use.